Raj, answer the phone. Answer the phone.
This phone is on voicemail. You can record your message after the beep.
Again voicemail. Where do you disappear so suddenly, Raj? As soon as you get any message, please call me back. Because your crazy son is taking Durga to our farmhouse. And we both know that after Dr. Thakur's last warning, if Shaurya does something like that, then what will happen to our cancer project? Shaurya, always on call waiting. Take me to Bhosher Ghat farmhouse quickly. I don't have much time.
Karan, guess what? It's on. Durga is coming to meet me at the farmhouse.
No way! Are you telling the truth?
In the next 1 hour, you will get proof of this too.
I told you move fast. I have to reach Bhosher Ghat farmhouse. I don't have so much time. Come on, Shaurya. Can't you see my call waiting? Answer the phone.
Now you think yourself, one young boy and one young girl all alone in the farmhouse. What will happen? Dan, dan,
Will I have to give 5 crore rupees?
Whether I get the money or not, she is no less than any prize money.
Not prize money, dude. Durga is a jackpot. Jackpot.
Jackpot, you're right. I will hang up now. Bye. Mom?
Finally ringing.
Sorry, Mom. I can't take your call. With a lot of difficulty, I have got this chance. And at this time, I don't want to spoil my mood by listening to your lecture. So, bye-bye. Ha-ha! Woo!
This boy is becoming so shameless. Call Raj. Voicemail again. This father and son? Raima. Call Raima. Raima,
Sakshi,
where are you?
I'm at home. Why? What happened?
I have come to know everything. What is happening and what is going to happen.
What do you mean?
This is a limit to shamelessness. Raima, I really mean it.
Sakshi, what are you trying to say? Please tell me what's the matter.
I'm talking about Shaurya, Raima. Really, this boy has crossed all limits of shamelessness. He is with Durga. What should I say? You understood, didn't you?
Sakshi, you know very well that
Shaurya likes Durga, but Durga doesn't care about him.
don't worry, nothing will happen.
It is going to happen, Raima. Akash has told me himself. Shaurya is going to meet Durga today.
Okay, then call Shaurya and stop him.
Of course, Raima. That's when he takes my calls. The shameless guy is not taking my phone calls.
Sakshi,
Tell me, can I help you in any way?
Yes, please. Please come to me right now.
Of course. I'll come to your house in half an hour's time. Actually, it will take me an hour.
I'm not at home. I'm going to the farmhouse. Bhosher Ghat farmhouse.
What? You are coming, going to the farmhouse? What? You are coming, going to the farmhouse? Look, Sakshi, do one thing. You wait for me at home. I'll come to your house and then we both will go to the farmhouse together.
I'm almost going to reach. I'm nearly at the gate. You please meet me directly there.
Hello, Sakshi.
What happened? Is she coming here?
She's not coming, Raj. She has already arrived.
What?
Oh my God. Now what shall we do, Raj? Raj? Sakshi? Raj? Raj, Sakshi has come. Now what will I do? Oh my God, what will happen? What if she sees
Calm
us?
down. Nothing will happen.
Nothing will happen? Are you serious? She has reached till the door and you're saying nothing will happen? What's wrong with you?
Wait.
God.
What is the matter, Dad? Why are you calling me again and again? Yes, Dad, I am perfectly alright. No, Dad, I haven't come in my own car. I have rented a car so that no one suspects me. Yes, Dad, you don't worry about me.
Sakshi has reached Raj. Raj, if Sakshi sees me here, she won't spare me. She will destroy me. I have deceived her in such a big way. She will never forgive me, Raj. What am I supposed to do?
Calm down. If you cannot help, then for 2 minutes, please be quiet. Let me think. You sit here. Sit here. Keep quiet. Wait.
Raj, where are you going?
Where is this watchman? Sound the horn.
Good day, madam. Madam, you.
Can't you hear the horn when it is sounded the first time? You are getting a salary for gatekeeping, not to shut your ears and to sleep.
Sorry, madam.
How come Raj's car is here?
What happened? What happened?
Wait
Oh,
here.
God.
Wait here.
Raj!
Wait.
Oh, God. Now what will happen?
Sakshi Goenka. When there is smoke in your own house, then people forget to burn other people's house. Today, something similar is going to happen with you. In the next 5 minutes, whatever will you see? After that, I don't think you will even think of Divya Bagchi for the next few days.